KOVAI Classic Industries make brush cutter. Brush cutters are similar in appearance to line trimmers. A brush cutter uses a metal blade that cuts through dense vegetation and tree trunks up to 4 inches thick. Specifications for brush cutter: engine, 2-stroke and petrol engine. Model 52cc bhp brake horsepower, is 1.5 horsepower. Attachment, 2-teeth blade. Petrol and oil tank capacity, is 650 ml. Weight is 9 kilograms curb weight. Short description about KOVAI Classic Industries. KOVAI Classic Industries is an established and well-known unit specialized in manufacturing and marketing of agricultural machineries and implements registered under SSI, Small Scale Industry, NSIC, the National Small Industries Corporation Limited, with an experience of more than 25 years. For more details, please visit www.kovaiclassicindustries.net, www.kovaiclassicindustries.com.